Hello, friends and family. I should have been making updates as I went, but this wind is ridiculous. It's either windy or it's raining around here lately, so I'm going to do my best to try to get a decent sound quality. If you remember, this was that water pipe that the town left over as trash. So I turned it into, I don't know, probably an 8-foot long garden bed. I have two legs, 4 legs technically, set up. I gotta tie them together, and that'll raise that up so we don't have to be bending over and breaking ourselves. We're old over here. We have one of these really thick pallets that I tried ripping apart, and the teeth of the pallet wrecker doesn't fit in there. There's that wind again. I'm telling you, it's ridiculous. So it wouldn't fit in the pallet wrecker, and hammering it just destroyed everything. So what I'm gonna do is put some legs on it, and taking a page out of Lone Star Pioneer's book, we're gonna put that pool on top of it, and hopefully grow some more food. So just been busy here today. Wifey's taking care of Dad. She'll be home later, and we'll be doing some more updates. Thank you to the Fugel family, NASCAR Nana Gang. Nothing edited as well as the wind starts howling as I'm trying to do shout outs here. We will be doing a better shout out to everybody who has helped us, Lone Star Pioneer, Southern Boy Prepper, all you guys. Like I said, we'll be doing a thank you much better later. Just wanted to give you an update of this windy day. Have a good one. Peace, love, and happiness.